what's up? I'm Fumiya. Welcome back and Rabies with Fumiya. Yes. So, Dr. Tim, come on.
Hi, Fumiya. It's
Hello.
good to meet you again.
Hi, kumusta po?
Mabuti naman.
Mabuti.
Salamat.
We are getting questions from viewers today. Yeah, so
Okay, that's great.
yes, I will ask questions on behalf of the viewers. Okay?
Okay.
Yes. So, Dr. Tim, first question: can all dogs develop rabies?
Okay, this is a great question, Fumiya. So also common misconception here in the Philippines. And the answer is all dogs can get rabies. However, not all dogs have rabies. So rabies is an infectious disease that is transmitted between species from animals to humans, or this is what they call a zoonotic disease. Dogs only get it from animals which have rabies. So, however, you can prevent them from getting it by giving them an anti-rabies vaccine.
So
So,
how about other animals? They have rabies?
yes, other animals, other mammals, such as cats, cattle, can also get rabies. However, majority of the cases transferred to humans are transferred by dogs.
By dog. Second question: when and how do animals get the rabies virus in their bodies?
Okay, another great question. So, animals get rabies when bitten by other dogs or other animals with rabies. So, preventive measures such as keeping your dog's leash and not allowing them to roam around and having them vaccinated against against rabies can help them prevent getting it.
Third questions: can puppies develop rabies?
Yes, puppies can develop rabies. So, according to the research done by the JAPOR project, most laboratory confirmed rabid animals in the Philippines are puppies. This is because their immune system is weaker, and the anti-rabies vaccine for dogs can only be given at the 3rd month.
So another question: how often do dogs need to be vaccinated against rabies?
To be able to protect effectively against rabies, you need to get your dog vaccinated every year. So just think of it, yes, every year. So just think of it like the flu shot. You get the flu shot every year, right? So it's similar for dogs. They need to get their anti-rabies vaccine every year.
Okay. Wow, I didn't know that. I thought it's only once. It's okay. I thought that. How about my vaccine for human?
Based on our most recent DOH guideline, so you need to be vaccinated once you have been bitten by a dog.
What do I have to do first when I'm bitten by a dog or cat?
Okay, first of course is don't panic.
Yeah. Diba?
So you need to
pag
stay calm.
ako, sobrang panic maybe.
So first, you need to calm down.
Okay, calm down.
Okay, then you need to clean the wound with soap and running water for 15 minutes. Now you wash it with soap and running water. So of course, clean water if it's available.
Yes.
And do not attempt to make it bleed. So or induce more bleeding, as this can only make the infection worse. So here in the Philippines, there is a misconception that if you get bitten by a dog, you need to make it bleed. So people squeeze the bite wound na pinipisil nila. So para lumabas yung dugo. However, studies show that it has a chance to make the infection more worse. Another advice is do not add garlic So
Garlic?
also garlic, yes.
Bakit garlic?
It's a common misconception here in the Philippines as well. So people add garlic to the wound. So they say that it is good against rabies, but
Eh?
it is not.
Talaga?
It is not
So,
effective.
so
Yeah.
some Filipino think, pag, bitten by a dog, put garlic.
Yes.
OMG. What happened to the
so
Philippines?
so it's one of the traditional beliefs. So
Ah,
putting garlic in the bite wound would prevent rabies. So, but we know that it's not effective and it wouldn't help.
wow. So, guys, viewers, don't add garlic. Yeah. Garlic is only for sisig lang, 'di ba?
Yes.
Yeah, sisig lang.
Adobo, adobo,
Adobo pwede. Yeah.
adobo.
So, next question. Can I go to see a tandok for treatment?
Okay, so
Oh.
going to the tandok is
Mm-mm.
not effective. So they are traditional healers. Usually, people go to them when they are bitten by dogs. It can even the interventions done by a tandok can even cause more infection. So it is recommended that you go straight to your nearest animal bite treatment center. Just a brief information. So our animal bite treatment centers are located all throughout the country.
Mm-mm.
They provide treatment,
Mm-mm.
vaccination for animal bites. And since 2016, the number of post-exposure prophylaxis given are increasing.
Mm-mm.
So animal bite treatment centers are open if you have if you had any animal bite.
Okay.
So please go to them.
Yes. Go. Can a minor bite incident by dog cause rabies infection?
Yes, even a small wound,
Oo.
kahit gas-gas lang,
Oh.
kahit maliit lang,
Oo.
it can still cause rabies infection.
Ah.
So people have been documented to get rabies even if they got a small wound. So if you held the puppy,
Mm-mm.
then the puppy bit you, even if it's a small wound, rabies can still be transferred. So you need to still get it treated. It doesn't matter if the wound is small
Mm-mm.
or big. So rabies can still be transferred.
Wow. Kasi I thought it's only like a big bite.
No, I can still get rabies even if it's a small bite.
Okay. Wow. So next question from the viewers. I was bitten by a puppy. Do I have to seek medical treatment?
So another great question, very situational. So again, not all dogs have rabies. They don't have rabies innately. However, there is a chance that this puppy already have rabies in its body. So in this case, if you don't know, if you have no information about this puppy, I recommend that you still go and seek out treatment. And the bite by a puppy can still cause rabies infection. So it doesn't matter if it's a big dog, it's
or
a
like
small dog, it's a puppy. It doesn't matter if the bite is big or small. All of it can still cause rabies. So as a precaution, us doctors recommend that you go to the nearest animal bite treatment center as soon as possible.
Dapat. Is the rabies virus in puppies stronger than in adults?
Okay, so mas malakas ba ang rabies virus sa mga tuta kaysa sa mga malalaking aso. So, this is not really the case. So, in the Philippines, majority of rabies occur in puppies since they are not vaccinated. And the rabies vaccination protocol starts at 3 months of age. So, it's not necessarily na mas malakas. It's just commonly seen here in the Philippines. So, one factor is that they do not have a strong immune system yet. So if another rabies dog bites them, they can have the rabies.
Dr. Tim, thank you so much. This is the questions from the viewers. Yes. And then kasi I got messages from the viewers after last video. Kasi ako, I didn't know about the rabies, diba? Pero in this project, every next episode, I'm dahan-dahan I learn about the rabies. Yeah, that's why like my fans also like interested about the rabies talaga.
Okay, that's great. It's great to being able to connect with your viewers online. So if they have more questions, please feel free to send more.
Yes.
We will be happy to answer any questions that you may have about rabies.
Yeah.
And of course, Fumiya, once again, thank you for joining us in this project.
Yeah.
I hope in the near future, the Philippines can also eliminate rabies. So this is very, very new to you because in Japan, we don't have rabies anymore.
Yeah.
So hopefully, us here in the Philippines can achieve that.
Yeah.
So, Fumiya, thank you for sharing your viewers' questions with us. So, just some takeaway points for this video. So, rabies is not innate in dogs. So, very important. I think another common theme is about puppies. So, yes, rabies, puppies can get rabies. And however, rabies in puppies is not necessarily stronger. It's just that they have weaker immune systems and they need to get their vaccination at the 3rd month of life. So this makes them more vulnerable. So mas delikado sila sa rabies. So it's important to take care of them, making sure that our pets do not roam freely, making sure that they are leashed when we go out with them. So these are very important things. So once you get bitten, be it a small dog, a big dog, or a puppy, be it a small wound or a big wound, wash it with soap and water for 15 minutes, then go directly to your animal bite treatment center. Okay, so I think those are the takeaway points for this video.
Yeah, thank you so much. I learned a lot.
Okay.
So yeah, it's important is vaccine and breed and puppies also delicado and don't put garlic.
Yes.
Yeah. Go to.
If you can make adobo with garlic, but not
yes. Garlic is only
garlic.
adobo. Yeah. I want to know more about the rabies. So I hope to see you soon in the Philippines. And then please teach me.
Great.
Okay. And then also I want to see the what's happening in the Philippines ngayon.
Yes, that's great. Looking forward to your visit here in the Philippines, Fumiya.
Yes, po.
And we'll give you a tour of RITM and look at the rabies status here in the country.
Yeah. Sana next video.
Yes, hopefully.
We can meet. Okay. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat, Dr. Tim.
And
Rabies with Fumiya. I hope that this video will be shared with as many people as possible and that rabies will be eliminated from the Philippines. So please share this video with your friends.